In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize reports in Xero. To get started, look at the top of your Xero dashboard and find the menu labeled Reporting. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, select All Reports. This will take you to the main reports page where you can browse the different report types available. Once you're on the reports page, choose the report that you want to customize. Click on the report and wait for it to finish loading before making any changes. After the report has opened, you'll notice several tools displayed above the report. These tools allow you to adjust different parts of the report based on what you want to see. One of the first options you can change is the date range. Select the date range that matches the period you want the report to display. You can also add or remove columns depending on the information you want included. If there are columns you don't need, remove them. If there are additional columns available that you want to display, add those instead. Another option available on many reports is the comparison feature. Use the comparison tools if you want to compare information across different periods or available business metrics. Keep in mind that the available customization options can vary depending on the report you've selected. As you move between different reports, you may notice that some reports include additional options, while others have fewer settings available. If you need more advanced customization, Xero also provides another method. With the report still open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and locate the option labeled Edit Layout. Click on it to open the report layout editor. Inside the Edit Layout section, you'll have access to more detailed customization options. Here, you can manually edit the lines that appear in the report, as well as the data included in those lines. You also have the ability to create custom lines if you need them. In addition, you can create custom formulas directly within the report layout, allowing you to adjust how information is displayed based on your requirements. Take your time making any changes you need within the layout editor until the report reflects the information you want to see. Once you've finished editing the layout, review the report to make sure all of your changes appear correctly. That's all there is to customizing reports in Xero. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.